Hello dear friends. Today I'll show you how to quickly and easily transfer money from Binance to Bybit. Now let's go to our Bybit account. Here's the main menu, after which we need to go to the wallet located at the bottom right corner. Here we see the deposit button, which is in the center. We click on it. Here we can choose 2 or even 3 methods, that is Visa card through P2P bank, as well as cryptocurrency deposit. Click on crypto deposit, then we select USDT, or type USDT above agree, and the USDT tether appears. Click on it, and then we need to carefully choose any of these available networks that we would like to top up or recharge our balance for. If it's Binance, then it's better to choose BIP20. Click on our BIP20 wallet, and our address will appear here. Next, we carefully take this address, ensuring we copy it accurately, and then we navigate over to our Binance account to paste it for our transaction. Welcome to the main menu, where you can easily navigate through various options. We need to go to the wallet. I went to the wallet, and here we click on withdraw, which means we see the button in the middle, clicked withdrawal. Here we see withdrawal, button at the bottom. We click on the designated option, then select from our various cryptocurrencies, opt for USDT, click on the USDT icon, and finally tap on send via crypto to initiate the transaction. Send crypto. Here we enter the address that we copied. In this step, we carefully select BNB, specify the exact amount we wish to send, and proceed to confirm our transfer securely. Thank you, dear friends, for watching this video. Please subscribe and like, and also comment if this method helped you. See you soon.